Fix a paper shredder. Long before its popularity, having a paper shredder in your office was considered as a luxury. It was also thought that only large companies were going to benefit from having one around. But now, having a paper shredder is a must. Everybody uses it, at home or at the office. It helps in efficiently disposing confidential personal and office documents. However, their reliability can be eventually affected and bogged down by overuse. To counter that, regular maintenance can greatly improve and sustain its consistent performance. Now, if something suddenly goes wrong your paper shredder, here are a few guidelines that you may use to save you from consulting the repair shop. Turn off your paper shredder first. Then, take out its plug. 2. Allow it to rest. Give it at least an hour to cool down. This is necessary when your paper shredder suddenly halts because of too much use. Inspect your paper shredder. Check out if something is jammed in it. That is usually the main reason why a paper shredder shuts down. If you found something got jammed, follow these steps. Go to the power switch. Switch it to reverse mode. If the jam is minor, switching to reverse mode may already solve the problem. If nothing happens, try the next approach. See the power switch again. Adjust it automatic mode. Then, after a few seconds, change it to reverse mode. That should clear the jam. If it does work for the first time, repeat the process until the jam is taken out of your paper shredder. Do you have a stubborn paper jam? Here is what you can do. Grab the stuck paper. When your grip to the paper is already strong, pull it out. Do it gently, yet firmly. Do you have small pieces of paper inconveniently stuck in your paper shredder? Here are the steps you can follow. Turn off the machine. Make sure to unplug it. After it has cooled down, get a pair of tweezers. Use it to remove the jammed paper. Take them out piece by piece, or bit by bit. If nothing got jammed, it is time to look for other malfunctions. Check out the power supply. Is it cold? If it is, then, consider getting an alternative source. You need another power supply to find out if your paper shredder is going to work again. Now, if the power supply is warm, most probably, the problem has something to do with your paper shredder. You need to call their repair service shop for technical assistance. Inspect the blades of your paper shredder every now and then. You need to sharpen or oil them regularly. You should buy the oil that is specifically made for your paper shredder. You can get or order it from a nearby office supply store. Again, you can maximize the performance of your paper shredder only if you use it in moderation and you sharpen and oil its blades regularly.